Just let me call the rest. Okay, just a moment. Just a moment. Where are the rest? Hold on, Okay. All right. Assalamualaikum, everyone. We will start again with some revision before we start new topics the following week. Okay, here we go. Let's start with this particular one. This a couple of stuff we are revising. Okay, ratio for this one. Can you send your answers, please? You can do. Sometimes you may need to bring to lowest terms first. Who's this? Well done, ready? That's the first answer. You can move on to the next one already. Don't understand. Okay. Farish, have you done can you reduce have you done a ratio, Farish? Have not. You bring it to lowest terms. Both numbers can be divided by what? Yes, you have not done. Yes, you're correct, Barista. Righty, well done for the second one. Have I gone through ratio? If you have, I have, right? I have gone through, right? So, Farish, what number can both be divided by? Let's say you can divide by 5. So you divide by 5, what do you get? 15 divided by 5 get 3. 20 divided by 5 get 4. Then from 3 now, we want to change it to 12. We times by 4. So you times this by 4. So you get 16 years. Have I gone through ratio with you guys? Yes, right? Yes, no. Righty, have I gone through ratio? Yes, right?
Yes.
Long time ago,
Long time ago.
Okay. All right, never mind. So this one is 16. So maybe you can try another one. I'll give you another one now. Oh, sorry. Okay, you try this one also. The one in green I've just given. Reduce first. Can, Well done, Farish. Well done, Shalina. What about Heidi? Where are you, Heidi?
I didn't give you the answer for 17.
Yeah, this one now.
I gave you the answer for 16 already.
No, this one, the green one. Can you see the green question?
Sorry. I never saw it.
Naomi can do, Naomi. Can I bring down to, but don't write on the screen now, Heidi. So that I'm not giving answer. But Farish can do the next one, Farish, number 17. Shalina also, you can do number 17, right? Something is wrong with your answer, Farish. Let's check. Okay, all right, 6. Here we go. You all got 6, right? So now you mean this one must divide by 5. You get 2, divide by 5, you get 3. Then how from 2 becomes 4? You times 2. You times 2. All right, the next one, come. 1, 4, I think, let me clear this one. Question 17, please start doing question 17 and question 18. Product means times, eh? You can do this, no using calculator, please.
Volume is 5 plus 5 plus 7.
No. Volume and length. Have you learned volume? Length and breadth and height?
Yes.
You all learned, right?
Yes.
Length times breadth times height.
Length times breadth.
Times height. Well done, Farish. Hey, what about the rest? Shalina, question 17. Well done, Shalina. For the next one, well done to Miss Teresa. What about Husna Shafia and Putera? Can do not? Must be able to do, eh? Okay, Raidi, well done. Yeah. It's the same question, huh? You see, that's why they repeat the question. So the difference between P5 and P6, and there's not much of a difference. Okay, down here, those of you who can't get this one, this is how we do. 5 times 3, 15, carry 1. Don't take 1 times 3 again. Huh? This, you 0 times 3 is 0 plus 1. 4 times 3, 12. And then 1 times 3, 3. Now, where do you put the dot? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Put a dot down here. Okay, I am good. Is it 4?
4.
Yeah, 4. Sorry. So there's supposed to be one more here. 4. Sorry, yeah. Now I'm going to give you one question that that really test whether you understand it. Ready? Yeah. This question. Here we go. 2.31 times 1.2. Can you tell me what's the answer, please? I mean, you key in. This will see whether you understand. Okay, Teresa has given the answer. Hold on now. Well done, Carissa. Putra, check the answer. Farish, check answer. Raidi, check the answer. Come on. It cannot be Putri ni. Farish, check answer again. That means you all do not know. Okay. Naomi can do not, Naomi. Now you, well done, Naomi. Well done, Shalina. Maybe this is a boy problem now. Is it a boy problem? Okay, come.
Sorry, Joe. I just realized what I do.
Okay, Faris, you do to me, right, Faris? 1 times 2, Faris.
That's your 200.
1 times 2, 2, huh? 3 times 2, Faris.
6.
6. 2 times 2.
4.
4. Then the next one, now you got to put a 0. 1 times 1. 3 times 1. 2 times 1. Okay, the question now is where, then we add, right? Now, Farish, where do we put the dot? Do we put here, here, here? How do we know? Or righty? Ustaz Shafia, check the answer. Okay, well done. You put down here. Now, how do you put it now? Watch how we find it. 1, 2, 3. 3 digits after the dot. Can you see that? So you count 1, 2, 3, and then you put the dot down here. Okay, not? We have to give you another question because you all quite a number have made a mistake. Husna Shafia, you know.
Instead of 7, I put 2 here.
Okay. Now we try another one. Husna Shafia, you know how to do, huh? And go. Let's see who can get it first. Husna Shafia, are you okay? Over.
Okay.
Why is your voice like that?
Voice just cracked.
Okay. Come on. Ready? Well done. Putra, well done. Putri, well done. Well, Putra, you're faster than Putri. What has happened? Paresh, your dot is wrong. The answer is right, but your dot is wrong. The digits are right, but the dot is wrong. Count how many digits? Well done, Naomi. Well done, Naomi. Well done, Naomi. Faris, the dot is wrong. Okay, no problem. I'm going to show you again. Where is Raidi? Oh, Raidi is given. Shalina.
What's your answer, Shalina?
Well done, Shalina. All right, we are now going to go through. Farish and those who are not getting it correct, please check. Okay. 2 times 2, 4. 7 times 2, 14. Carry 1. 1 times 2, 2 plus 1, 3. You're multiplying the next number, put a 0 down here. 2 times 1, 2. 7 times 1, 7. 1 times 1, 1. Now you add. Well done, Husna Shafia. 4, 6, 10. Carry 1. 2. Now, Farish, watch out, Farish. We look at how many digits is after the dot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Farish. 1,
If there's 4
2,
and
3,
then you put a
4. Put a dot.
And then put a dot.
Yeah.
And then put a 0. Just
What?
not the slow that one.
Yeah.
Let's call it at the front. I don't know.
Farish, you're clear now, Farish? Okay, we try one more time. Here we go. Another question. 8.01 times 0.21 and go. Fastest one. Let's see.
Will it be
Mr. Raidi? Oh. Kashrel, please. Oh, wait, hold on. Could be correct. Hold on. I'm checking.
Sure.
Kashrel, well done. Wow, you're very faster than me. Putra first, well done. Raidi second, well done. Putri third, well done.
How long, sir?
Naomi, well done. You're faster than me. I was using a calculator. Putra.
you're faster than me, Putra?
Oh, it's very serious now. Naomi, well done. What about the rest? Come on, what about the rest?
What about the dress?
Come on. Shalina, well done. I'm waiting for Farish. Farish. Over.
Wait, wait. Don't go through it.
Don't go through.
Don't
Miss,
see it.
who is that? Cartoon.
I don't know. I see that.
I see.
I just want to do the working. Not many.
Farish, how many digits after the dot, Farish? 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, you also need 3. You know, volume P5 is tested for PSLE. Volume P5 is still tested for PSLE. So PSLE, there's volume P5 and volume P6. Please carry on. Okay, I'm going to run through very quickly. 1 times 1, 1. 0 times 1, 0. 8 times 1, 1, 8. Sorry. Put a 0 times the next one. 1 times 2, 2. 0 times 2, 0. 8 times 2, 16.
Sure.
Yeah. And then, yeah, sorry. So Farish.
Can I keep something?
Yes, carry on this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Farish, are you seeing? Where's Farish? I cannot see Farish. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a dot. Okay, I need to check you all later lah. This is answer 1.86821. Try the next one, please. Volume very easy.
That's all.
Already, yeah. You all send your answers.
Long time ago. Oh my goodness.
I don't even know which answer was there.
Yeah.
forgot
Okay,
already,
what
sir.
can you send your answers again? Oh, Raidi has sent. Putri has sent. Okay,
Oh,
let
sir,
us see.
yeah. It's 1 7.
Okay. Yeah. I think you are correct. Well done.
I was not already actually. I nearly said the answer,
It's okay. Let us see
but I
whether.
said most of the things. I said enough.
Yeah. Let me see. You're very fast, Mr. Raidi. Are you scoring high marks for your exams?
Sure. No.
You maybe you tell me. Okay, then you can do the next one. Number 19. You can start number 19. Putri also can start number 19. Shalina, you okay? Shalina, why you look so sad? Are you okay, Shalina? Shalina, you okay? She's just nodding. Shafia, you look different, Shafia. I feel as if that's not you, no? Is that you, Shafia? Well done, Putri. Putri is first for the next one. Righty, which one are you doing? Number 19.
19.
You've
Sure.
forgotten the formula.
Yeah.
Total divide by Tan. Total divide by number equals to average. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's what I did. That's what I did.
What's your total?
10. Sure.
Yes, Naomi. Please carry on. Yeah.
Total for 19 is 3.
3, yeah. Yes. Who's calling me? Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Yes, what? 3, yeah.
Why do I look different?
Yes, you look very good. Or you might look very bad.
All right, here we go. I'm going to draw you what there's a dog or whatever inside the house. Now, bottom, they say it's a square base. I repeat, base is what is the bottom. If let's say you're sitting down as what you're sitting down now, your base is your butt. But if you're standing up, your base is your feet. All right. Now down here, now the square base is 5 by 5. And then the height is 7. The formula is length times breadth times height. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 7 is 175. Not 17.5, Shalina. 5 times 5 is 25 already. 25 times 7 is 175. All right. Okay, we are moving to the next one. This is we are revising in case any of these questions come out for your.
Did I get 19 correct or wrong?
Oh, 19 is wrong. How come you get it? Try 19 and 20. Your 19 is not correct. Yeah.
I don't understand.
Okay, you have I taught you average, right?
Yes, but then I don't understand. Do they ask us to make all? Sure.
Okay, here I write down the formula.
Sure, no need.
Average
Sure, no need. Sure. I just saw something.
over number.
Sure.
I'm wondering how you
I
get.
thought it said make a number and then find the average.
No, you're not reading the question, lah. This guy.
I know.
Total.
I couldn't see.
Oh, you couldn't see. Sorry. Come. Shalina, you know your error, huh? There's no 17.5, it's 175, Shalina. Shafia, what you eating? Come, Shafia.
Just find the individual number, right?
Not individual, it's the average. That means agak-agak, rata-rata punya number. On the average, the 3 numbers, what's the value? Take all of them, divide by the number of numbers. Take all of them, divide by the number of numbers. So now let us check one more. Do you know the average? This is what you want to find.
Yeah,
Total, you can find out.
It's my new answer correct.
No, how you get 235? You tell me.
705 divided by 3.
But this, okay, one number is 7, another number is 5, another number is 0. So now you take 7 plus 0 plus 5. This gives you 12. The value of the total is 12.
4. It's 4.
How many numbers are there? There are 3 numbers. So 12 divided by 3. Average is 4. That means, okay, means you all are not too sure. We now have to revise average. I think
I cannot take it. It's together, like together.
Okay, this is Ali. Okay, Ali has a weight. Okay, This is Baba. Baba has a weight. I'll give you the weight shortly, yeah. And this is Charlie. Charlie also has a weight. What is it? We'll get. So we want to find, and Dada. Dada is like daddy lah. Okay. Daddy is 100 kg. Okay. Charlie is 50 kg. Okay. And this one is 10 kg. All right. And this one is 2 kg. What is the average weight of the four things lah, or person? Ken? A is a cat, B is a dog, C is a child, D is a dad. What's the average weight of the 4 items?
Sure, a dog is nearly as heavy as me, sure.
Is it?
10 kg away from 19 or 10 kg away from me.
But this is what?
20 kg, sure.
But this one is a small dog lah.
Oh.
You have seen small dogs like size of cats also, but it's bigger.
How fat they are? I guess a dog is fatter than me, sure. I'm only 20 kg, sure.
You are only 20 kg? Are you serious? Wow.
I'm very skinny, sure.
So how about you?
I am 20 times 5. I'm D, dad, but lighter than D lah. Lighter than D. But I'm dangerous to my wife when we sleep. And then I raise my hand in the night and it ever happened. I have to apologize to her because I'm beating her at night. Come, let's try what's
Did
the
she
average.
cry?
Oh, she says very painful. That means I'm very heavy. But I think probably there's something. Okay, just a moment. Well done to Raidi, well done to Putri. What about the rest? You know how to do not? Faresh, you know how to do average? Okay, that means okay, average is something I need to go through. Is it one? That means average is not. Okay, sorry. Yeah, that means I think I did go through average, but maybe we wait until after your CA2. Okay, I will cancel average. Okay, but anyway, if you want to know, you add all of them up, you get 162. Count the number of items 4. Okay, apologies then. Maybe I'm teaching you too early. Okay, we are
Sure, no, you are teaching us perfect timing.
perfect timing. Okay, can we find the difference between 2.3 and 7.25? And go. 2.3 and 7.25.
Done.
So fast. Okay, let me just check your answer. Where do you, well, where's your answer?
Question 20, I already right
Thank
there.
you, sir.
Okay, let me see. Oh, yes. Raidi, yes. Oh, Putri, yes. Well done. Anyone else? Naimi, are you okay, Naimi? Huh? Naimi, please carry on. You need to do whatever. Shalina, you know what to do, Shalina? Husna Shafia, can you do now? Husna Shafia, I got no answer from you lah. I do not know. Putra, something is wrong with your answer. Please try again. You have missed out one part. You missed out one part, but that makes your answer wrong.
Oh
Husna
yeah,
Shafia?
because I put your face near the question.
Huh? What? What has my face got to do with that?
Hey.
Well done, Farish. Akil, what about answer, Akil? Shakil? Righty, yes, just a moment. We wait for the rest for a while.
Our culture to help them.
Okay, so I better write down later. Just remind me. Average not to touch until after.
Average we learn already, what, sir?
You learn already. Akil, something is wrong with the answer. Who taught you average me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, something wrong lah.
You
How
teach
come
us
you get
before my teacher even taught me.
Yeah, maybe I'm going too fast. Well done,
No,
Shalina.
you're not.
Okay.
Just some weeks ahead of you, just like more than 10 weeks.
All right. More than 10 weeks. Oh boy.
No,
Okay.
I was just kidding.
Yeah, maybe you're right because different schools go at different speed. Okay, you have to minus. You must arrange the minus sign in a straight line, you know, like that. The dots have to be straight. Now, when you minus, there's nothing here, you can put a 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. So this is where what you missed out, Mr. Putra. 2 minus 3, do not put 1. Some of you have this habit, bigger number minus smaller, bottom minus top. Cannot.
Sure,
Borrow,
take 7, borrow, then
borrow.
never give back. Don't need give back.
Don't go back. 9. 12 minus 3, 9. 4.9. Now this one, please do not count 1, 2, 3, 4. That is only for times. For minus and plus, you follow the dot. 4.95. Yes.
That one. Okay. So it's like you keep this to borrow some life lah, but then you kill them after that. Then because then you cannot give back unless you kill you back.
Okay, we can try it. Come, can you all try this one now? 4.17 minus 2.29. Please try minus and tell me what's the answer. Because I'm a little bit worried some of you do not know how to do this. This one is basic decimals. So you must know. Average is okay because maybe I'm going too fast. Farish, don't worry about average, Farish. You look very sad. Don't be sad. Farish, are you sad, Farish? Farish. How the students who don't acknowledge this, they look down. The only student who's look upside down is Putra. You know why, right? Because I found out that who he really is.
Same.
No, I'm back.
No, I'm not. Righty also come upside down. Yeah, I thought you were the Batman. All right, let's see now. Some say the answer is 1.98, some say 1.88. So let us see who is correct. Some say 1.
Sure, I'm correct.
Let us see. Yeah. Now 7 minus 9, please do not write 2.
Sure.
Some of you might be a habit. Okay,
Sure,
so
just borrow, just kill him,
yes,
make him have 0.
17.
Done.
So you get 8 down here, correct?
Yes.
Then you borrow. There's
again,
3 here. Is 10. 10 minus 2, what is it, Mr. Righty?
10 1. It's
And
11. It's 11.
What? No, you already took the 1.
Oh, yeah. Sorry,
Okay.
sorry.
3 minus 2, 1. Yes. Okay. So put a dot down there. So you got to be careful. 1.88 is the answer. Well done for all of you.
I actually I never cancel out my 1.
Yes. So be careful.
I never cancel out my 1.
For you, you are able to do it, but sometimes overconfidence is the issue.
No, for sure.
Oh,
If I
yes.
write, then I know what my mistake is now.
Have you done area of triangle?
What's a shaded job?
There, the shaded one is in yellow. But
Oh,
now
wait, let me help you.
it's not done in a nice way, lah. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Let us see who has the answer now. Wow, Putri, very fast, Putri. Putri, well done, Putri.
Sure.
Yes.
Sure, it is satellite.
Yeah, this is that what you have done is called a tiger
No, satellite.
Righty, you have forgotten something, Righty. Righty, you are sometimes overconfident. You know what you forgotten?
Sure, listen. I don't know. I always don't know how to do area of triangle.
Area triangle, you must always have it. Always have it. You know the area of a rectangle. You define the area of rectangle, then you have it lah. Oh, that means I have not gone through triangle lah.
No, you did, but then I cannot do triangle yet because I'm bad at it.
Have you all started triangle in school?
Yes.
Finish already.
Yes.
When?
Finish already.
And Shalina, you must know how to. The formula half times base times height. Boys and girls, you all must be able to do this.
Sure, I forgot. Sure, before you tell the answer.
Okay, your try. Shalina, you try again, Shalina. Okay, what about Putra? What, Farish? Are you okay, Farish? Have you learned this? Well done, Farish. Farish has given the most accurate answer, even with the unit. Yes, Righty, well done. But what is that extra thing at the back? Putera, what about you, Putera? Shalina, what about you, Shalina?
That's the extra thing at the back.
Okay, but you need to put a square if you are going to put the thing. Husna Shafia. Husna Shafia, who are you talking to? Huh? Who are you talking? You are talking. I can see now. I'm observing everyone. You know that. I'm observing everyone. See what? That's why we cannot take beyond a certain number. Otherwise, I cannot observe you. Miss Shalina, half. What is the base? Base is 8. So half times base is 8 times height is 6. Answer is 24. Now, what is the faster way of doing it? I will do it the other way around. I will use another formula. It's the same thing. What is the same thing? Base times height divide by 2. I find this very fast. So I take base times height, then divide by 2 straight. 48 divided by 2, I get 24. The answer is 24 square cm. You need to remember, there is a small 2 down here. This means square. Lol, laughing out loud, I guess. Okay, here we go. Let's move on to the next one. Am I correct to say percentage is covered? Yes, right? For your test?
Sir.
No, Putra.
Yes, it is. It is.
Have you, Shalina, have you?
My teacher say for the
CA, no.
assessment, my one only up to decimal.
Okay, Shalina, what about yours,
My
Shalina?
one got percentage.
Percentage, is it covered? Your CA2? Yes, okay.
My
So
one got.
yours got, okay. So we just try this now. We just try this, okay? Putra, you can I think try lah, Putra, because this is for after your CA, because some of your friends who are having CA with percentage. Well done, Putri. Ready? Check. Ready? Check. You got to check. Ready? You got to ask yourself now. Ready? This $120, how many percent is it? Is it 100% or is it lesser than 100? If you say lesser, how much is it? Well done. Farish, you have no. Okay, I have to run through in a moment, but let us see what about the rest. Sharina can do. Naomi can do. I think I'm going too fast now. I am going very, very fast. So I think you're.
No, I think I.
What's your answer? Lily, you got an answer now? There's the same answer already. Okay.
That's not my calculator. Trust me.
All right. Now, this is paid by John. After the discount. Before the discount, the back price, before discount, the back price is how much? 100%. How much is it? We don't know. But after the discount, got 20% off. So you minus 20%. So that means he paid how many percent? He paid 80%. This is what you have found, Mr. Farish. It's 80%, not $80. So 80% is $120. Okay. What you want to find? You want to find the discount. How many percent is the discount? 20%. Fastest way. How do you get 80 to 20? Divide by
4.
So you divide by 4. $30. Now, I know some of you are confused. So here we go. Here we go. You must understand this bit here. Discount means the amount you don't need to pay. You don't need to pay 20%. So what does it mean? It means that total there's 100 parts. 100% means 100 parts. You don't need to pay 20%, 20 parts, but you need to pay 80 parts, 80%. So they say he paid $120 after the discount. So 80% or 80 parts, 80 units is 120. Then you can find 1 unit if you want to. You can, if you want to, you can find 1 unit, no problem. You divide this by 80, what do you get? I think 1.5, is it? Just hold on. 120
Yes.
divide 80, 1.5, right? So that means 1% is $1.50. Now, what you want to find? Say, I do not want to find 20%. I don't want to say, okay, you find the original price. What's the original price? 100%, correct? So you times by 100, what do you get? $150. Now, so if the original price is $150 and he only paid $120, what is the discount? The discount is $30. 150 minus 120, you get $30. Okay, but why am I teaching you now faster way? They already tell you the discount is 20%. You don't even need to find the price of the bag. You can just find out straight the price of the 20%. So from 80 to 20, divide by 4. Divide by 4. You can do it that way. I have to give you another question now. Okay, here we go. Because this is coming up for some of your exam. You must be able to do this. Okay, here we go. Now, Lala. Lala is the younger brother of Lala. Okay, paid. Okay. Let's see now. How much you paid? $30. After for what? Dot lah. Because it's small, right? Lala is very small. For a dot. After oh, sorry, after discount of this is discount, okay, of 25%. So after the discount he paid only $30. Question 1, what is the actual price of the dot? How much is the dot? Okay, what is the price, original price, the original price of the dot? Okay, can you find what is the original price of the dot? Say what is dot? DOT lah, taik lalat. Taik lalat. Then next one is how much is the discount? Okay, never mind. We just tried question 1. Just question 1. Well done, right? No, cannot be right here. Cannot be right. No.
I don't understand your handwriting.
Okay, I will. Okay, I will give you the another one. All right, again, because some of you don't. Okay, you understand, sir? And see, for a dot, find, or you. And go, please. Well done, Putri. You must know this $30 is how many percent? You must know. These are clues. Farish, can do Farish. Farish, you can do Farish. Yeah, I do not know.
Hopefully I get the same answer, Joe.
Okay, come. Now I ask you now, this one, how many percent is it? Here the discount 25%. So look carefully, Farish, look. And the rest, you must minus 25%. How many percent you get? Oh, you pay only 75%. See, I don't know what is percent. Okay, imagine it's units, parts. Okay, 100 parts is the original. 100 parts, I don't know how much is it. We don't know how much is it. But you know $30 is after you minus 25 parts. So at first got 100 parts, 100 units. You must minus the 25. Then you are left with 75% or 75 units. So 75% is $30. You want to find what? 100%. How much is it? You can find 1% if you want to. If you want to find 1%, can. If you want to find 25%, also can. 25% is easier. How do you get so from 75 to 25? Divide by what? If you know, you can see that. You can. Anyone knows? I'll write it here. Maybe it's easier for you to see.
Divided by 4, so
Divide by 3. Divide by 3, yeah? So, yeah, divide by 3, not 4. 75 divided by 3, you get 25. If you don't believe, use your calculator. Use your calculator. 75 divided by 25, what do you get? You get 3, you know?
I thought you said 100. I thought you said 100.
Okay, just hold on. Let me just write. I keep writing it. The thing doesn't want to disappear. So now down here, Allah, how come cannot? Oi. Oh, that's white. Okay, hold on. Let me just re-share again. I tell you what, I just write a report here. You can see what I'm writing. Okay, you can see. It's been a long time since I write now. So now, 100% is the original price of the whatever lah. Okay. So now 25% discount. Discount means don't have to pay. You don't need to pay the 25 parts. So you minus now 75 lah. And this 75 is how much? It's $30. So now you want to find 100%. So how to find 100%? You can get 25%. Down here now, you can later times by 4 as Riley says. But from 75 to 25, you can divide by 3. So you divide by 3, what do you get? Oh, 25% is divided by 3 is $10 lah. 30 divided by 3 is 10. You don't believe 75 divided by 3? 6, so it's 2, 1, 5, 15, 25, you see? Divide by 3, you get 25. Then you times 4, you get 100. So you times 4 down here, you get $40. This is the original price. But if you don't understand, so I really don't understand. Okay, then you change to 1%, can? You change to 1%. How to change? Divide by 75. Okay. Then this one you divide by 75. You say, alamak, very difficult. Okay, never mind. You just put 30 over 75. Never mind. Divide by 75, right? You put over 75. And then what's the next step? Oh, from 1 must times 100. From 1% times 100. Okay. So down here you times 100. So 30 over 75 times by 100. You can use your calculator. You will get 40 also. You will also get 40. Same thing, but down here you cannot really see them. If I divide by 25, I get 3. I divide by 25, I get 4. Then divide by 3, I get 1. Divide by 3, I get 10. 10 times 4, 40. Okay, we have to do one more question, okay? One more question. You must be able to understand this. Discount, you understand discount? Hey, you go for shopping, how come you don't know discount? Discount. What?
Coffee. Yeah.
Coffee.
So I don't go shopping mall.
You don't buy things. You don't buy anything. Okay. You don't buy online also, you don't buy. I thought you always see this word discount. You must know.
Coffee.
Discount, you have seen this word discount? Discount means don't need to pay. So now we try now. Okay, now, actually, I want to show you something now. You know, my left right eye is actually glass eye. Imagine, imagine. Yeah, imagine. So now, imagine now there's a discount. Okay, I buy the eye for $150 after discount. Original price, we don't know. How much is the discount? The discount is actually 50%, you know lah. I change. Discount is actually 30%. Okay, and I paid how much? I paid, let me see, $350 for it. After discount, I paid. What is 100%? The original price. Can you find out? Discount is 30%. I don't need to pay 30%. And then after that, they say the price you need to pay after discount is $350. So if there's no discount, how much must I pay? Can you find out? Oh, very fast. Who is this? I think it's Putri. Putri very fast. Once you know it's very fast, Putri. Putri is wondering why the rest cannot understand. Okay, but this is the process. So we go step by step. Discount 30%, original is 100%. You minus 30, how much you get? Oh, you're only paying 70%. So 70% is $350. Okay. Okay, and then you divide by 70, you get 1%. Divide by 70, how much you get? $5. $5. Yeah. Correct, yeah? Then you want to find 100%. Times 100, $500. Blah, 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 blah. Shalina, you understand, or Shalina? Shalina says yes, but I do not know. Yes, you understand? Naomi, you understand, Naomi? Sure. Shafia, you understand? Is the pencil does it taste good? Yes. Okay, but anyway, here we go. We try. We try the next one. Okay, we are doing different questions. I want to actually focus on one. Can you try? No, man. This one. Yeah, this one you have to know this one. This one is very, very itchy, yeah. Very itchy. Yeah.
Very itchy.
Yeah. When you go in the army, they say, so you know, you haven't done Sadia while you are sitting. You must be like, Sadia. Then after that, this person, his English is not good. After that, it says, sit easy. It doesn't say sit easy, you know. It says, sit easy. Oh. I do not know whether you know what I'm talking about. This teacher talking nonsense. Okay, whatever it is. Let's see, Raidi, whether you're correct or not. Raidi, you are absolutely incorrect. You are near, Raidi. Where's Raidi? I cannot see Raidi. The power is with you. Remember to change from km to meters, you must times by how much? 1 km, how many meters?
1,000.
You must times by 1,000. Don't times by 100. Do not times by 10. You have times by 10, righty. You see, what is he talking about times by 10? I didn't times by, yes, righty. Yes. And Farish, yes. No, that was Farish, not righty. Sorry. The answer came out, sorry. Righty, that is wrong, righty. Farish, congratulations. Husna Shafia, okay, but Carissa, your answer is correct, but they want you to write in km and meter. Well done, righty. For Carissa, you must change it to meter for your 0.3. Okay, so now some are confused now. Let us see now. Who has not given the answer? Miss Husna Shafia. Where's your answer, Husna Shafia? Husna Shafia, I must talk very softly to you. Husna Shafia, where's your answer? Oi. You see, I talk very softly, it doesn't work sometimes. Well done, Raidi. Aduh, Putri. Careful. Husna Shafia, come on. Hey, do you know this is how I speak to my wife? I speak very softly. Okay, come, here we go. Can share a method. Okay, here we go. Oh, you're going to share a method. Okay, you share a method. Show us, show us. No, 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 no. That's not the way. Who's not sharp? Yeah. What's the method? Unmute yourself, Mr. Farish. Tell us what's the method.
5 plus 1 equals 2.
1 plus 1 equals to what again?
No,
5 plus 1 equals
no.
Where
You
is
just take.
where are you now? You just take what?
You just take this number plus this number.
Mhm.
You get
Okay, this number I just write down now. You can okay, and then this number you get what you plus together. What do you get?
4.30.
4.30. Okay, all right, and
Then
then
4.30. You just need to add a 0 at the back because meters got there because meters there is 2 zeros at the back.
okay. So here we go. All right. Raidi is giving this method lah here, so you can see this method now. Watch. From kilometer, you want to change to meters. If you are changing to meters, you are writing like this. Let's say 1 km. Then you must have 3 blanks here. That's what he's saying actually. So if your answer just now you added a 1.05 plus 3.25, what you get? 4.3, correct? Or 4.30. Doesn't matter. 4.3. Let's say you get 4.3. Okay, you put 4 down here. You put the 3 down here and add 0, 0. That's what he's saying. Because km, kilo is 1,000. 1,000 got how many zeros? 3 zeros. Okay. The other way, 4.3, right? Now you know that 4 stands for 4 km, right? So now 0.3, what is 0.3? Is 0.3. Take 0.3 times by 1,000. It's the same thing. So how to change times of 1,000? You shift 3. 1, 2, 3. Can you see? 1, 0, 2 zeros. 300. Are we okay? I do not know whether you're okay, so I have to give you some questions. Now,
No,
can
sir,
you try?
No, I'm okay.
No, that's what you say. Okay, now we try now. 1.15 km. Oh, sorry. Can you change now to km and meter? All must do. How many km? How many kilometers? Can you? Who is that? Come. No, it's okay, it's
I
okay.
don't have first.
Okay, now we try this next one. You try. Oh, this one is the same thing. Come, you change to number 1 and number 2. Come, you send me your answer. Okay, Raidi, congratulations for one. Raidi, congratulations for 2.
And then
Carissa,
can I have a number 3?
number 3. Yeah. Putri, well done for.
And then we got.
Putri, well done for 1. What about the rest? You can use Farish method if you want to.
The number.
Putri, well done for 2. Well done, Raidi, for number 3. Okay, the rest, come on, the rest, come on.
Can I have number 4, please?
Number 4. Okay. Well done, Farish, for number 1 and number 3. You have missed out number 2. Carissa, well done for number 3. Raidi,
Number 4.
well done for. No, there is no. There's no.
That's a 1.
There's a no 1.02.
Okay.
Sorry. Farish, well done. Shalina, well
Sorry,
done for
not
number
all
1.
here.
And then here we have
Raidi,
the
well
number
done.
5.
What about Putra? What about Nayumi? Come,
Yeah,
Nayumi.
am I too fast? I asked for 5 already.
Yeah, now you're too fast. Yeah, add on. The rest are getting afraid already. Well done, Farish, for all so far. Raidi, well done for all. Shalina, well done for the second one. What about Sheikh? And what about Nayumi? And what about who else? Any story today? We can continue the cat story, but I do not know. Okay, so no, okay, no.
Yes.
I don't know. No, it says
No.
no.
People say yes. People say yes. One is like yes. Okay, yeah, sure.
Okay,
They
some
say
of them
yes.
mixing meow. All right,
Meow.
someone. This one you can use the Faris method. Faris method says put 3 blanks here, then you just fill up down here. Can also, yes, can. All right, if you feel better, you want it. So this one is 700.
So I'm going to use an emoji for cats.
You can put down here. This one is 0,
No.
1, 2, 0. Down here now, you can put another one here. So 1 km and 20 meters. Okay, we have to test you again another time now because this is taking too long. All right, now we move on. We move on now. Are we ready? No.
This is too easy.
Too easy. Alamak.
Yes.
Okay.
I like
Okay, here we go now. This one. Ready? Shafia, what scary eye you have? So as to eat you better. All right, number 16, please. Number 16. This is another school paper. Just congratulations. Ready? What was 17?
What is question?
16.
And 17.
And 17. Okay, ready? Now you have to be tied to the corner. Not as a punishment, but as a reward. Because now you're too fast. Hey, don't go there. I'm joking. He's going to tie himself. He's going to tie himself to the cat.
No.
And the other day, do you observe your cat in the early hours of the night?
Yes, I observed him at 3 a.m.
And what about his eyes?
As per normal, his eyes is orange.
Orange.
As per normal. Wait, orange.
Farish, you cannot start with 0. You cannot start this type question with 0. Okay. You cannot start with 0, Farish. Come on, the rest of you, come on. You all look tired already, yeah?
Let me check if my cat eye is purple.
Farish, well done.
It's either
Putra,
yellow or
well done for the next one. Putra, Putra, you have not done the first one. Putra, well done for the second one. Okay. You just hold on.
Where are you?
Who?
Because I got something.
Now you can do?
Sir,
Yeah.
what you log out?
Sure, I sent you a funny photo. When I went back from school, I saw this.
Okay, I will check in a moment. My phone is a little bit far from me. Now, Farish, I'm going to give you a. Where's Farish? I need to find Farish. Okay, Farish. I'm going to give you a little trick to estimate your answer. Okay, well done, Shafia. Okay, you see this one. 1 times 900, what's your answer? Farish. 1 times 900, what's your answer?
100.
So your answer must be more than 900 because this is slightly more than 900. So your dot is put wrongly. Your dot is placed wrongly. What do you think your dot? Where do you think your dot is? You understand what I'm saying? So you can also do it like that. Okay, those of you who are doing the next one, you're confused. 1, 2, shift 1, 2, you get 107. Then you times by 9. Hey, you all get it or not? Okay, 1.07 you times by 100. You shift 2 places. Then you times by 9. You will get 963. Okay, you don't need to put the 0.00. This one now, the smallest. What is this? Again. How many lessons are there? Hold on. Down here, what's the smallest number? 2. Okay. Form the smallest number first. Now, do not start with 0. So the smallest number will be 2. Allah. 2 some more?
Say 825.
25. Okay, 25.
20.
No. 20. Then 5.
5, 6, 7.
6, 7. And then we want it to be
Odd
odd number, right? So
The
what you do is you bring this to the end. That's it. You all know the method now. You all are talking now. Who is talking? Now look down here. You form the smallest number. If they ask you odd and this is odd, really, right?
Yeah. 7 is odd number.
Hey, this is okay. That means this is the correct answer, lah.
Yeah.
Means I marked some of you all wrongly. Who they are marked wrong? Let me see. Farish, you got to check your answer.
You marked me wrong.
Righty, you are correct.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
How about me?
Where, yours, you have not given an answer.
Well done.
Okay, you have not given an answer. Okay. All right. You all look very bored. What happened? You want story? Story.
I'm
again.
not bored.
They're not bored. I know you are very fast. The moment I ask the question, already the answer is up.
I also
Okay, what is
Mm.
you want? Okay, I was telling the one of the classes about Adolf Hitler and Adrian Lim. You all know who they are?
No.
Okay, I tell you about Adrian Lim first.
Adolf Hitler, but I don't know the other person.
The other person actually lived when I was in primary school. I was living in Toa Payoh, Block 2. And Adrian Lim was living in Block 13. Now, who is Adrian Lim? You should know about this guy lah, because
Your friend.
they don't say my friend. Eh,
Why
this
he's
guy,
a bad guy?
he's a bad guy. Oh. Yes. Okay.
Your enemy.
Yeah, hold on.
I see my face.
Yeah, this one. Okay. Okay, down here, please watch Adrian Lim. Okay, you can type this. If you'll find this photo, Adrian Lim. Which photo is this?
Oh
Can
my
you-
gosh, no, it's a Toa Payoh. Oh no.
Toa Payoh
I know
ritual
about this.
murderers.
I know
Have
about
you heard about it?
Yes.
We look
You
at.
didn't share the story.
I
Yeah.
shared the story.
Then he like murdered
Okay.
like don't know how many kids.
And two kids.
Mother
Two kids.
kids. Oh,
Yeah. In fact, one of them is a Malay boy. Poor boy down here. See this boy.
Wow.
You know what he
Why
did,
does
right?
that look so familiar? Why does that boy look so familiar? The Malay boy who died.
Yeah, lah, because maybe his photo was distributed. Because he was missing for a while.
That looks
Yeah.
like an actress. The one like Ismail, you know, the one from Ipen in Ipen, the one that
Oh,
always
okay.
follow the gemuk.
Oh, I
guy.
see.
Yeah.
So, but anyway, since you know about this, okay, the other one is, have you heard of Adolf Hitler?
Oh, Cho.
Yes,
This
obviously.
is Adolf Hitler. He was the guy who,
Nazi.
he's a Nazi. He was the guy who started World War II, actually. No, World War II. There were 3 countries that were considered evil. One is Germany. He's from Germany. The other one is Japan, which invaded Singapore and Malaysia and all. And the third one is, who knows?
Canada.
What is the portrait?
Singapore.
Singapore got invaded lah. Singapore is part of the British.
I think I know.
Tai Ai.
America.
I.
England.
England, Ireland. No,
That's E. Italy.
Israel.
Oh, Italy.
Okay, so this guy was very, very powerful. This Hitler, Germany, the Volkswagen? You know Volkswagen car? You do not know Volkswagen.
I
Volkswagen.
know.
Volkswagen.
I know.
How do you spell? Yes, down here. This car, this brand, it started with Hitler's time. It was, and the Germans could build planes that flew faster than the British planes. In fact, they were on the verge of doing what? Of creating the intercontinental missile, means they can fire from Germany to US. In fact, you might be shocked by this. The Germans were so brilliant under Hitler that NASA used Germans after World War II. They made sure that when Germany was falling, they were losing, they were rushing into Germany to capture the the scientists. Scientists who can make the atom bomb, and the scientists who know about space travel, or not space travel, the missiles. Yes.
So it's like capture the flag, right? But then they are in the middle of a fight. But then they come from the back, like ambush, lah.
No, not really. Actually, okay. During that time, the scientists.
Not ambush. Like
Okay.
like third party where they come in, like. But then they come in from another direction.
On the other side. Yes, you can say something like, okay, maybe I'll tell you that another day, but a lot of the advancement in NASA into outer space is because of German scientists. But of course, these German scientists, they become Americanized. So Germany is actually a very great power. And Japan, we might think is bad and evil. Do you know within 20 years of World War II, they can rise up from the ashes of Hiroshima bombing. You know Hiroshima, Nagasaki? Okay, I'll show you.
Michael bombing
Let's see.
because
Nagasaki, Hiroshima bomb. You see the people.
there's still radiation.
Yeah, yes, that's right. They tested the atomic bomb there, no? Bombing, wrong spelling.
No, they didn't test American
Yeah, they use it, but they have created it.
because the
destroyed-
Japanese destroyed Pearl Harbor.
Yes, you know babies and all that. They were born handicapped. Some of them. This happens to a bicycle that was bombed there. The entire, can you see the entire town is flattened, you know, with the bomb. And yeah, you look at this guy's hand. This is the effects of the bombing, you know.
Radiation.
And, can you see this? The late, so pregnant mothers who were carrying babies, the babies will be deformed. You know, deformed, something wrong with the babies. So let us see now. Okay, if you want to we put down here victims. You're ready to see these pictures now?
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Okay, so this is some of them. I think
Oh,
I do not know whether it's that. Okay, you can see the date and all that. Young, you look at this. You look at the fingers. Look. Can you see now? These are those who are not directly bombed. You look at the face. What happened to them? So many of them.
nice.
After that, they found out these are people where the bomb didn't hit them. You know, they are like kilometers away from the bomb, and yet they had the effect, the devastating effect. Poor thing lah. You look all of them. For generations, they suffered. Anyway, this is something you got to find out. Okay. Anyway, we come back to maths because now Putri is waiting. See when is the teacher going to come back to this? Okay, can you try what's the missing number in the box now? Oh, I have not checked the phone yet. I will check in a moment. Wow, very fast. But Raidi's answer is that, and Carissa's answer is different. So Raidi, you got to check your answer. Raidi, you got to be careful. Why? Because you are confident, that's good. But when you're overconfident, that is going to be a little bit dangerous, mister. 18. Well done to Miss Putri. Well done, Mr. Putra. Raidi, check your answer. Because there is a 2 down here, Raidi. There's a 2. No, there's a 2. That means you don't get it.
Wait.
Shafia, what are you doing, Shafia? I do not want to attend. 0? Cannot be 0 lah, Faris. Cannot be 0. That means you all do not know how to do this. This one is primary 4 work.
Wait,
Righty, well done. What about the rest? Only 3 persons know. Shalina? Okay. That means you all may not know. Step 1. Step 1, you can divide this by 2. When you divide by 2, you get 8. When you divide by 2, you get 19 now. But don't write the answer 19 here. What you must do, you must put 19. Take. Divided by 8. Okay, again, down here now, you have 38 over 16. When you divide by 2, you get 19 over 8. So what do you do? Well done, Shalina. You have to take 19 divided by 8. So you divide 8, you get 16 here. 2 wholes. You minus, you get 3. So this means 2 wholes, 3 out of 8. So the answer on here is 3 and not 19. It's actually 3. Farish, okay, Farish, you get it? Okay, we do again. We'll try another one.
Mistake.
Oh, yes. Sometimes that happens. And go. How fast can you go?
They all get it.
Wow.
Okay.
Arisa and Raidi, very fast, and Farish. Wow.
They had a head start.
They have a head start. Just 1 second to say start. Putra, well done. Putra, wow, nice eyebrows, Putra.
That's
Shalina, well done.
1 second.
So there's 5%. What about another few more? Very simple, just put 41 over 5, you get 8, and then you get 40 over here, right? You minus, you get 1, put the 1 inside here. 1 over here. Okay, good. 0.04 as a percentage. Let us see. Remember what I told you, how to change fraction and decimal to percentage. Congratulations, Miss Puteri. Very fast, huh? What is your secret, Puteri? Righty, that's not percentage, that's the same thing. Whenever you have any fraction or decimal, well done, Farish. All you need to do is just times by 100, that's it.
Sorry, I forgot. I'm blind.
No,
I'm
you're not
very
lying. Well done,
Yes, I'm
Righty.
blind.
What about the rest? Putra, what about you? Well
I
done,
think
Shalina.
there's 2 dots.
2 dots. No need to
Yeah.
put 2 dots.
No, at the back there's 1 dot.
Yeah,
in
there's
Oh, one more
2
dot.
dots.
Yeah, there's one more dot. Yeah, a mistake. Well done,
Yeah,
Putra.
they're cheating. Wow.
Okay, so
Supposed to
you
know.
just need to times by 100, and when you times by 100, you will get 4%. See, but why? Why is it 4%? What is 4%? It's 4 over 100. And how do we write it as a decimal? It's 0.04. Okay, this is what it is. Okay. Okay, Farish, now you put another dot. Okay, this one. You must, I think you're going to get this type of question for your exam.
I'm sure not sure.
I think so. This is like very popular.
My shade is it covered my whole entire screen
Wow.
without on full screen. Help.
Who is this? Paresh, well done. Very fast, huh? What's your secret, mister? I post many letters every day. Why? Well done, Righty.
Sure.
Is it true?
Sure.
Yes.
Sure. Only write fast if I'm mad. Like okay. Like.
Well done, Putri. Any more? Any more? Any more?
Sure, I wrote so much things in under 1 minute. More than 6 words.
Okay, well
than 10
done,
words,
Putra.
more than 10 words.
Any more? Any more? Any more? Come on, any more. If not, we
Yes,
got to go through.
sure. Me. Have I gone through? Yes,
Okay.
correct.
Yeah, you all got correct. Well done. I mean, the 4 of you have gotten correct. So very simple. Huh? You have 11 kg. Break it up.
Take 45 plus 8 now.
Yes. 10 and 1. So 10 is 45. 1 more kg is $53. Itchy, yeah? Itchy, yeah? Meow. Okay, this one. Average, are you going to be tested on average?
Yeah.
No.
I don't know. We don't know.
You don't, okay, then we don't do average. I'm afraid I might be giving you a headache. Angles, no, right?
Angles, we know. But I'm not good at it.
Area of rectangle, yes, right?
Yes, we went to
yeah.
just now.
Yeah, so this one now is the shaded part. Shaded part is yellow lah.
Yeah.
You know,
A, B,
have you seen this on walls? Yellow color. Yellow gooey stuff. You know what it is?
No.
INGUS.
US.
You have you ever seen ingos? You know ingos. Some people ever seen people. Then you find on the railing sometimes it's like gooey stuff, but it's dried already. That is dried mucus.
Who touched that?
Okay, but you
touched that?
who attached it? Sometimes you don't know, right? You don't know.
Babies.
Oh, then you look at what is that thing, and then you touch. It's actually it could be phlegm. So this is now very quick. Very quick. You don't tissue. Very quick. Because these are words you must know. What do you call kaha? Kaha in English. Kaha. The one you spit out, then it's like yellow or green.
Phlegm.
Phlegm, huh? Phlegm. Okay. What do you call this? Then sometimes you tell salty. Ingos. In English, what do you call it?
What do you call it? Mucus.
Mucus. All right, what you call is on your knee, sometimes you fall, you have something that looks like goreng pisang. Yellow in color. Yellow in color. Nana. In Malay, you call it nana.
Banana.
Not banana. Banana. Yeah. What?
Banana.
What's the word?
Blisters. Cat.
Blister. No. Yellow in color.
Banana.
Scat is dried. That's dried. P-U-S. Pass.
Banana is dry.
But then when you put a pimple also what?
Yeah. Pimple. So you sometimes, but you all are too young having a pimple, right?
No.
You have pimples.
You go, yeah.
I see.
What?
Okay.
I already went.
Okay. So you must know all these words, eh?
Is it pisang
How
or
about
banana
you?
or
Huh?
pisang
Okay,
goreng?
what about you when you spit out,
Or goreng pisang?
and then the saliva is like there's no milk, there's no phlegm. What do you call? You spit, that is called a
Vomit.
spittle. The liquid that comes out from your the liquid
Like my cat's name.
urine and
Saliva.
urine.
Yeah.
I think you all know.
That
But I
sounds
should.
like my cat's name. That sounds like my
Huh?
cat's name. Mosquito.
What's your next name? Mosquito.
My cat name is Mosquito.
Mosquitoes. One
Mosquito.
last one. Okay, I want to see whether you all know this word.
Oh,
A
mosquito.
lot of Malay families, they use this word. They know for Malay, they know. They say berak. What's the English word? Don't use S-H-I-T. That's a very rough word. You don't tell your teacher, can I go in
Defecate.
S-H-I? Defecate. Well done. Defecate. Well done. Defecate. This is a very
Duplicate.
polite way of defecate. D-E-F-E-C-A-T-E. You know why I'm telling you this? When I was in primary 6, I asked my teacher, and my teacher told me this. The word, the correct word is clean your stomach. And I went to secondary school. I write a composition. I went to toilet and clean my stomach. He says, "What is clean your stomach?" There's no. My teacher didn't know, and she taught me the wrong thing. The word is defecate. Okay, because you all know
Empty
berak,
your
right? But
stomach.
you all do not know.
Empty your
Many do not
stomach.
know what's defecate.
How many
Okay,
marks?
Your stomach.
How many marks do you not get?
I do not know. I know that my teacher was so disgusted by me. She asked me to come up to the front of the class and read your silly composition.
Clean your stomach.
Yeah, but clean my stomach is not right.
That's cleaning out the food.
Yes. Am I a science teacher? Well, I've written some science books, but I'm not a science teacher. You want to see the science books I've written? You try this question now. Find
Yes.
the unshaded part. I'll show you.
Wait, I don't
Just
know.
hold on, Let us see who has. No one. Okay.
I need help. I need help.
You all need help, eh?
Yes,
Okay.
I need help.
Do you remember? Okay. Before I show you this one, this is a novel I've written called.
Wait, I got that book too.
You have this book, huh? The
Yes,
Mad
my
Inspector.
brother.
And then this is the science book I've written, but I use a different name. I use a translated name. My name is Shahid Salim. Shahid means martyr. Martyr means one who dies for a noble cause, and Salim Salim. So inside here, this is like a comic book, you see, about the digestive system. But
I
I
can buy.
used to have it at Popular, but no longer at Popular.
Then what do
Now-
you buy it?
So do you put it as in your
I
stomach?
if maybe one day if I see you, then I'll pass it to you. Okay?
Because the only
It used to be sold about a few years ago. But anyway, now we
So
come back to
later I
this.
go to Toa Payoh.
Toa Payoh, they don't have it. Oh, you want to go to Toa Payoh and see me? Okay. Here we go. You find the area of the whole rectangle.
the only science book I have is
Then you
Yes.
minus, wow, what is that, man?
this
You
detailed
minus
science
the,
book.
oh, wow, okay. You find the area of the triangle and then you minus.
Okay.
I need to show you therefore, for example, now like this. Okay, you find the area of the whole rectangle. Then you find the area of this triangle. And then you minus the triangle, you get your answer. You get it? I repeat,
But,
you find the area of the rectangle, then minus the area of the triangle, then you get the shape.
but how do we find the whole thing?
Then how you find the whole thing? Okay, you must look down
But-
here.
But they don't give any like
Yeah.
meter number like cm, but the only thing I know is 70 cm multiply by 2.
Okay. So here we go. Here we go. Okay. Let us see now. This one I can divide into 2, right?
Yes.
So I can have 70 here.
Oh, wait, Cha, I think I know. Wait, can I do this myself first? Please,
Sure,
please,
sure,
please.
sure.
After you've done that, I know what to do.
Okay. I have not found the answer myself.
210 cm square.
Yes, well done. Well done. So down here is also
70 times 4.
times 3 lah, because they want the white part only.
Oh,
Okay, let's see who got it. You get it, Nana?
Yeah.
So sometimes, okay, sometimes I myself don't know the answer. I was thinking, oh, are they asking us to find the base and height? Actually, no. You just need to divide it into parts, something like that. So you have to believe in yourself. And you have to just keep on trying.
I thought
so
I thought they say
picture.
the triangle is half a square. So is it
Yeah.
also half a rectangle?
It's half a rectangle, yes, because all rectangles, all squares are rectangle. The difference between
But longer.
no.
The length is longer.
Okay. That means you don't get. You must don't be mistaken.
What,
Yes.
What picture are you saying that you're gonna show us? I don't know.
What picture?
You're gonna show us a picture.
Picture. I don't know. Did I say I'm going to show you what picture I'm going to show you?
Yes.
So we're going to test you now.
haven't-
Farish, we're going to test you.
No,
Yes.
sir, you still haven't answered my question.
What's your question? What's your question?
I asked what is 5 minus 0 minus 5 equals to 5,
Zero.
4, 5. How do I get the answer?
Okay, I'll come
Minus 0
to that.
minus 5.
I do not know if you get the wrong answer you're asking me.
You said you're sure the
Okay. Just hold on. I'm going to ask you, rectangle or square?
Rectangle.
Rectangle or square?
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Okay, now rectangle or square?
I cannot see.
Square.
Okay, let's say this is 7, this is 6.
Oh.
Triangle.
Rectangle, right? Still right?
Triangle.
Let's not triangle. So now are you saying now, let's say now this is 6.5, rectangle or square?
Rectangle.
6.1, rectangle or square?
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Then 6.
Square.
And then if I change it to 5.9,
Triangle.
rectangle also.
No.
Triangle.
No.
Yeah.
It's
Rectangle.
called, that
So-
is what you call a small square.
No, but this is 5.9 is 6. No, not the same.
Rectangle.
Okay, so you must remember a square is a special rectangle with length and breadth are the same.
But what do
So
you
now-
call that?
This one is a rectangle because this is a rectangle. But a
Oh,
square
it's
is also a
another way.
rectangle. Yeah, it's the other way. So it's like saying a cat, animal. So it's like saying this is a square, this is like a rectangle, You must remember all squares are rectangle. But unfortunately, some teachers get confused by it as well. But never mind. Okay. We move back. Yes.
You said you're gonna show us a picture.
And my picture.
Picture what? Picture what?
A picture on
I
WhatsApp.
send you
Oh,
the
your
WhatsApp.
picture. Okay. Let me check. I have not gone to my other thing. Okay, I give you the next sum to do, and let me check for the picture. Okay, you try this one again. Number 26. Someone got answer so fast. My one too. Okay. What is my one? My phone is flat. You feel change? Okay. Who is it? Me in Italy? Wow. Son, my cat in Italy. Okay. How come everyone's going to Italy? This is one of the countries that have started World War II. But anyway, we try this one now. Five. 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. this year. I'm not posted. Must do before Carissa give me the answer. She might be faster than me. I might lose all my confidence.
Sure. It
Yeah.
doesn't tell us how much are they all together. They only say total of black and white.
Yes, you can use ratio you want to, or you can use fraction, you can find out. You can find out, can. How many units is black and white? You see now, Carissa give the answer. Farish has given the answer. Let's see whether she's correct now. So sorry, Farish, answer is not
Wrong
correct.
answer, wrong answer. I accidentally put. Ayo.
I will show in a moment, okay? Well done, Farish. So you went to, do you go to Greece now, Farish? Do you go to Herculaneum and Pompeii?
Huh?
Do you go to Herculaneum and Pompeii, no? In Greece, no, huh?
No, but I'm planning on going there.
Wow.
Because my family say they want to go Greece, but then they say they want to go Spain.
I see.
But then at first they wanted to go Moscow, so I don't know they want to
Yeah,
go.
like Moscow. Will you bring me along? You see, he's laughing like that so bad. Like, so we'll hide you in the boat. I cannot have space. Okay, come. 1 more minute. 1 more minute. Righty, you can do it, Righty. So sorry, Miss Putri. So sorry, Mr. Righty. You make it what? Make it over 10. Make it over 10. Over 10. 2 over 10. Then half would be how many?
And then 5, 10,
5 over 10.
5 over 10.
Then rate will be how many? Rate will be how many?
1 over 10.
So now
3
we,
out of 10.
yeah. So black now we make it as 2 over 10. Okay, you can do it fraction style. You can even do it ratio style. Okay, I show both. This is for black, and then after that you have white. I think this is a K-pop group, black and white, right? Or black pink or white pink or whatever. Anyway, half now you can change to 5 over 10. You can also use the number 5 here. And yes, well done, Putri. And then the next one is red. Red is how many? The balance must be 3 over 10. You see how you get 3 over 10? 10 out of 10 minus 2 over 10 minus 5 over 10 equals 3 over 10. So this can be 3. If you're using ratio method, this is the method. Altogether, how many units? 3 plus 5 plus 2, 10 units. But they tell you 84. There are 84 black and white. So 7 units. Where you get 7? 2 plus 5. 7 units is 84. 1 unit is 84 divided by 7. You will get 12. Now, if total is 10 units, 10 times 12, and you will get 120. Ken, do you get it? Get it? And I did get it. Don't feel down. If you don't get it, you don't feel down. If you get it, you feel up. You must not feel that way, you know. And when you cannot do it, you feel down. If you can do it, you feel happy. Of course, when we can do something, we are happy. But when you cannot do something, don't feel down. Maybe this is not yet time for you to get it. Take time, just relax, take your time. Okay, the solution will come to you. But if you give up when you cannot get, then will be a problem. I already uploaded the video. I'm going to send you your mom the link shortly. Yeah. Okay.
Not this video.
Not this video, the earlier one.
I see this video also.
Oh, this video. Okay, sure, no problem. Okay, I will share with you. I think a photo of 2 persons in Italy. If I'm not mistaken, I do not know why they have sent their. Okay, so why they have gone to Italy? Italy is one of. Do you know that the leader of Italy at that time, Mussolini, was the one who inspired Adolf Hitler? But anyway, I'm just joking. So this is Mr. Farish. Farish, you look different, huh? Wow. And where is this place, Farish? What do you call it?
Colosseum.
What do you call it?
The Colosseum room.
Colosseum. Okay. And what do people used to do down here?
Gladiator fights.
Gladiator fights. What is gladiator? You all might not know what's gladiator fight, so I'm going to just put on here. Gladiator fights. So human and human fighting in a very and they kill one another. Gladiators are fighting one another, and that's the Colosseum. That means in the olden days you have people watching around. So our friend Mr. Faris have gone there, all right, to observe this is the archaeological ruins. And then
Yeah,
what is it? What is this?
Leaning Tower of Pisa.
Pizza, is it pizza?
Leaning Tower of Pisa.
Pizza. Why is it leaning? Do you know why is it?
Because last time when they built it, the soil was too
Sing it, Gandhi, sing it.
moist
Hang on.
or something. Then the tower was too heavy, so it slanted.
So then can it collapse to the ground?
No, they say no chance because the soil already became very firm.
And also I think they put some reinforcements here.
Yeah.
This guy, yeah. Okay. And let's see who's the next guy. I think this is the cat in Italy, right? Hey, why is your cat having a snip ear also? Why you snip the ear?
No, because we brought it to the vet once we cleaned it, but then we thought it was
Cat,
turtle, but then it turned out it was a boy.
Okay.
But then just
But you know what it means, right? Snip ear means it's sterile. That means you cannot have babies, no?
yeah, that means a boy. It's a boy.
Yeah, boy, that means even if the boy mate with the male mate with female, no use also. Okay, you want to see my ear? Not? Nothing in my ear. My ear is normal, it's not cut. My ear is okay. Okay, all right, then we catch up again next week, all right?
Sure. That
Yes.
isn't tray. That
What?
is where we put. That's where we put the the thing inside the
What?
oven.
Where?
In the oven.
Oh, in the oven. Oh my goodness, this is the tray for the oven. You're talking about the microwave oven, or why
The
don't you
pizza
try?
cat.
Oven.
Why
It's a
don't you
pizza
try?
cat.
Why don't you try to put your cat in the microwave oven and turn it on?
Don't.
Just see what happens
No.
now.
No oven. Not.
No, I'm joking.
Broke
joking.
cat.
After that, you might be
Cat.
eating a cat. Okay
Boy
then.
cat.
All right. Thank you very much. Okay. See you next week. All right. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.
I love bro cat.
Bye.